Whistle blows and we are underway in our first half, and as always, our first half of action is brought to you by Adidas. And here comes Salt Lake once again. Trying to generate an opportunity, and a shot is stopped by Bersano. Beautiful save by Matthew Bersano, his first of the match. Big collision there, and player down for San Jose from 10 points to 15 points and jump a couple spots in the standings after a bit of a slow start to the season. This ball is headed just over the bar. Another turnover in the defensive end for San Jose. Can this set something up for Salt Lake? Right at the top of the box, a shot doesn't get through. Deflected by a San Jose defender and cleared away from trouble. To start the second half, which as always is brought to you by Adidas. Whistle blows and the second half is underway. San Jose really didn't get any looks towards the net in that first half. Hoping that changes here in the second as this trickles in. And San Jose leads 1-0. Oh, it looked like Beavers made the save, but he just couldn't hold on. Some of the notes around the league at the moment as San Jose moves forward with it once again. First place North Texas obviously playing very well though. Points in 10 of 11. Same number for Whitecaps as another save has to be made by Beavers, and he's pleading with his defense. Certainly have been on the front foot since we restarted play as this is headed just wide. Ooh, Arfsten had another opportunity. Going with the wind here, which is an advantage. Comes in low, headed towards the cage, and it's cleared off the back line. Oh, what an opportunity that was as it's headed back behind a Bersano, wide of the cage for a goal kick. Towards the near post, headed just over the bar. Pretty clean look at it there. Neidiger, good ball through, plenty of room to operate here. Pierre crosses one in. It was deflected wide of the cage. Trying to get to his left foot. Does so, crosses one in over everyone, and does stay in play for the moment. Nice move there inside the box. A shot off the outside of the cage. Beautiful chance for San Jose. To the top of the box, it comes, a left-footed shot, swings just wide to join the party. Headed high, just outside the box. And there is the final whistle. A 1-0 victory on the road for San Jose.